Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can buy more storage on Google Photos, so let's get right into it. Now, the storage is pretty much shared between most Google, services, including Google Photos, Google Drive, and Gmail, and it is all on the Google Cloud. And you'll just be upgrading your Google Cloud storage using Google One or Google Workspace. It depends on what you want, but Google One starts with 100 gigabytes of storage, so that is what I would recommend you guys get. But the way to subscribe to this, it is very easy. I will show you how to do it on Android and PC, and it is pretty much the same between Android, iOS, and all mobile devices. But on Android, you just need to go into the app, and then on the top left, tap menu and go into settings, tap upgrade storage, and scroll down and choose a different storage plan, and you can tap more options to find other plans, and then choose your payment type and tap subscribe. Now this is done through the Google Drive app. You can also try to do this through the Google Photos app. I have created a tutorial on how you can do that. However, it's a bit more complex. This is the easiest way that I have found. On iOS, as far as I'm aware, it is the exact same process. Yes, it is. And then you can also do it on PC, and you can do it by signing into your Google account, going to one.google.com, clicking upgrade on the left, and then choosing the new storage limit and reviewing the plan and payment date. Click next and confirm your Google One plan by clicking subscribe. You'll need to enter your payment information as well, but once you've entered everything and subscribed, that is how you purchase more storage. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.